Yes, that's what you want. Well, that's so. Finally got my red dot in. It's the Ballista red dot sight. Like I said, I got the turkey choke, and I'll be testing the Longbeard XR. Last time I shot, that one seems to pattern better, and then the Nitro turkey. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna aim to my target down there. It's 20 yards, so I'm trying to sight in to see how he shoots. Okay, I'm actually aiming at the target now so that you guys can see how it hits. So 20 yards. Yeah, I'm actually facing the sun, but I'm trying. There's a greenhouse behind me on my left here. I'm trying to see if I could block the wind a little bit, but just not sure. Just not sure how I'm able to block the wind. So here we go. First shot with the red dot. Well, I have a green dot on, but okay. Hopefully this helps. If it doesn't hit, we can always make adjustments. Okay, let's go see how it hits. Okay, let's go see. So at 20 yards with the red dot, I think it hit it hit straight on, but just a little bit low. So let's adjust a little bit. Okay, so I made a little adjustment. So I didn't change the cardboard, but I moved the target to the right a little bit. As you can see, there's a lot of BBs down the bottom there, bottom left. So here, let's see how this one shoots. Okay. Okay, let's go see. It's much better. See? Most of the BBs right there on the head and the neck. So that's looking good. So I think I'm gonna move to 30 yards and see how it hit. All right, let's see how it hits at 30 yards. Okay, 30 yards. New target, everything. So 30 yards. Woo! It's loud. Okay, let's go see 30 yards to see how it hits. These are just my practice round. So, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like I said, this is my practice round, so I'm shooting the other ammo, so it's not too bad. I mean, it's going to be a kill shot right there, you can tell. A few here on the neck, some on the head right here, so it's definitely a kill shot. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna put another target on, and I'm gonna shoot it with the nitro and the XR to see how it hit. Okay guys, so now it's super windy, so I put a more realistic target down there. So once we hit, we can see better how it hit. But this might be my last two shots to determine which ammo I'm taking for my turkey hunt. So let's hope we do a good shot right here. Okay, it's really windy, as you can tell by this bag. So this shot will be the Winchester Longbeer XR. We'll see how it goes. Longbeer XR. It's harder to see the target than the white paper. Well, let's go see. Hopefully we did a good shot. Wow. Looks good. I can tell it looks good. Yes. That's what we want. Well, that's the XR. It's not TSS, but I'm happy with that. Wow. It's really nice. Not TSS, but it's nice. Okay, I put a new target on, so it's going to be the Nitro Turkey now. Yep. Just want to show you guys it's a new target right there. So, oh, that's super windy. So now we're gonna shoot the Remington Nitro Turkey and see how it performs. Okay, now it's the Nitro Turkey. This will determine which one I take out on the field. Okay, so it broke the camera arm, the tripod, so I didn't record my shot looking at me, but I record the shot with the Tactacam camera. So let's look at the shot. Wow, you can see the difference. You can see the difference. I mean, this will kill. Definitely will kill. Look at there's shots here along the neck and the head, right here. But I definitely like the other one better. So well, this one's more spread out. So I guess Winchester Longbeer XR. Alright guys, so because it's so windy outside, I came here on the boat to just kind of do a recap. So this first one on the left is the Remington Nitro. Remington Nitro Turkey. There's a few shots in the neck right there. So it's definitely, and these two on the left are 30 yards, just so you guys know. I mean, it's definitely gonna die. But this middle one is the Winchester. What is it? Winchester Longbeer XR. Winchester Longbeer XR. You could tell. Oh, that's a nice shot right there. Nice group. And this last one, I try to shoot at 40 yards just to see how it hits. And I try to circle a few there. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's definitely going to be a dead turkey at 40 yards, but that's probably my limit right there. Probably won't go beyond that. So just thought I'd do a quick recap how these shots are. That's my best, so that's going to be the ammo I'm taking out on the field. I was hoping that one would do good too, but at 20 yards they're both similar, but when I came to 30, yeah, it's so much difference. You could tell right there. There's just so much difference at 30 yards. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.